Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop, S&C Budget Creations, down below if you're interested in checking it out. Also for the month of October, we do have a freebie, which I will link as well. And today we are doing our Coffee Wednesdays. If you tuned in yesterday, then you may have seen that I made some changes to my Coffee Wednesdays for the month of October. I think it was yesterday. Oh my gosh, I'm confused now. Okay, anywho, I decided I'm going to do the micro savings challenges going forward, at least for a little while, because I was so excited to see these. And I was like, I'm going to do them. I'm going to do them. So we're doing micro savings challenges now. And the wild thing about this is that I am going to be doing 6 envelopes, 6 savings challenges at once because they're micros. And I'm not even rolling the dice. I pulled out the melanin playing cards. And I did take out the Charmed and also the Skip or Double and the Misfortunes. And then any of the bigger numbers. I took those out because I'm not that brave yet. I do have one in here that is $3. So hopefully it works out good. I'm just going to shuffle them and then we'll pull from the stack. But how much are we stuffing? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 bucks today. $15. Yay! So, I mentioned this before. How I get this money is I cut my spending allowance in half first off. So that's an automatic $10. And then anything I have left over or anything I make extra, I try to put towards savings. So, you know, this week a little extra $5. It's going to go a long way for me though, because we are going to be saving it. All right, so we'll just set this up here. And these savings challenges are actually in our shop if you're interested in grabbing them. It comes 9 in the set, but I'm just doing 6. I was going to do 9, but I think what I'll do is once I complete one of the minis, then I will go ahead and throw in another. Total, I believe I calculated $54. 6 times 9 isn't that 54? Yes. Okay, I have my calculator, so I went ahead and checked. Let's get started. We're just going to shuffle these suckers up, and then how we're going to do this. Oh, oh, gosh, you guys. I still need my dice, right, to know if I'm going to put it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. So this is first 3, second 3. So I still need my dice, but it's not going to determine the amount. So 6 is getting $1. 2 is getting $1. Okay, I don't want any IOUs. Let's get this 3 out of the way real quick. 4 is getting 3. Okay. I spoke it up. I spoke it into existence. $3 going into number 4. Okay. And then number 1 is getting $1. Okay. 6 is getting $1. Come on, we need all of them to fill up here. Come on. Okay, let's do this. 1 is getting, oh, I'm pulling $1. Oh, it was $1. Okay. Okay. 3. Okay, finally you're getting something. You're getting $2. 1 and 2. And I have my IOU next to me just in case because, you know, stuff happens. 1 is getting $2. 1, 2. Oh gosh, we're getting down to the wire. We may have to pull out that IOU. Okay, 1 is getting $1. No IOUs. 6 is getting $2. 1, 2. Okay, we're done. We're done. Okay, that worked out so stinking well. Perfect. Kind of sad this one didn't get any love. That's okay though, because you know, this is how this works. It's not always going to be exactly how we want it to work. 1 second, I'm going to grab my Sharpie. I don't know why I wasn't prepared. I'm just going to use my red Sharpie. All right, so 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so it doesn't matter the order actually because it's not anything in specific. But for our first savings challenge, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dang it, we almost finished that one. That's cool. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm still trying to sort through and figure out what I'm going to use this money for. At this point, I just want to be saving it and then I can figure it out. There's always something coming up, always something happening. So try to make sure it dries before I throw it in there. So I want to be saving. That's where I'm at right now. That's my goal, is to be saving. Our next saving challenge is getting a $1. $1 there. Okay. So yeah, this 15 bucks, I could have put it into an envelope and, you know, whatever, but I feel like it's a lot more fun this way. And for any of those people out there that are second guessing the savings challenges, do it. $1, $2. I think that it just makes it that much more fun. And to see it growing, it starts off so small and then it becomes, you know, so much more once you complete it. Like I said, this one, doing all 9 of these savings challenges will save me $54, and then I can do whatever it is or save whatever my plan is. I have no idea yet, but just the fact that I'm saving, it makes me so excited. All right, so this savings challenge is getting $3. Man, I can't believe we were so close to finishing that very first one. The very first one just needs one more. So maybe next week, right? Because we're supposed to come back. We're supposed to come back every week. But what I've decided is that if there's weeks where I can't stuff them, I'm okay with that. I will be fine with that. I can wait until whenever the next week comes along. I'll just keep saving. All right, so this one, 0. Nothing. That's okay. We're just going to keep trying. All right, so this last savings challenge got $1, $2, $3, $4. Yeah, I was a little nervous about putting more than the $3 card in there. And that's why I only put 1. But I wanted it to be a little bit more fun than just the $1 like I've been doing. So, yeah. Okay, so let's put these away. And like I said, it does come with 9 micro savings challenges. I keep saying 9 micro savings challenges. And it is a digital download. So you print it and then you cut it and you're ready to use it. All right, you guys, I want to thank you so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.